what you guys study here and what the company expects. So the real world company, industry expectations completely different. Let me tell you my background. I was an engineer by choice and not by profession. I studied right here at BB BIT. So I am an industrial engineer. Right after engineering, I didn't want to work here because the job market is very pathetic. So we all know about the job market. So are anyone placed already here? No? Nobody is placed yet. So people are yet to attend the placement drives and everything, right? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I have your response, please? Yes. So, if I have to talk about the placement scenario, of course, it's completely pathetic right now. So that is when I decided right after engineering, people were getting paid hardly 15K or 15 to 16K, and I'm like, let me just go abroad. Because going abroad, I believe I'm almost 6-7 years older than you. I graduated in 2020. I graduated 2019. I graduated, so I'm pretty much older than you guys. So when I had to think about going abroad and doing things, because I already knew the job market is already pathetic. People are not getting placed. So that was the thing. Because every placement you attend, they ask for, am I audible? Yes. They ask for skills which are not learned in academics. So industry aligned skills are something you integrate by upskill. So right after that I went to London. So I have finished my masters in engineering management. I guess BBA students are also here, right? Yes? So I finished my MS in engineering management. So that is when I got exposure to a lot of industry around curriculum. So because when I was doing engineering, it was all theory based. It was all about me learning. So my branch was a little different since I was an industrial engineer. I used to be half design and half management. So since I had learned a lot here. So I think abroad education gave me a very good exposure. So I worked in Jaguar as a design engineer, and then it's been a couple of years I've come back. I've been strategic partner with few companies, and I deal with a lot of partnership. So when I have to talk about, so I work with students very closely. So I understand the pain points of students. So as I'm really great Bhargavi gave the opportunity. It's rather for the company, it's a lot of benefit for the students. Because you guys have to get placed probably in 6 months. You guys are in the 5th semester if I'm not wrong. Yes? When are you writing your exams?
After 2 months, what exams?
March? December. So December is your final exams.
No, ma'am.
Semester exams, alright. I think this is the right time because all the companies, like probably our company or any other companies. So any other company would be expecting the students to start the preparation before a year. If you want to get this next year, you'll have to start your PFP sessions and everything this year. Anyone attending placement drives already?